Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my May 2021 BOXYCHARM Base Box unboxing. So this here is the $25 a month beauty subscription box, and I usually really love BOXYCHARM. They have some great brands that I've been able to try out through BOXYCHARM for an amazing deal. And I did already get my $35 BOXYCHARM premium box yesterday, and I posted my unboxing video up on my channel. Unfortunately, I wasn't too thrilled about that box just because I love getting makeup, and I feel like BOXYCHARM usually gives me really good makeup, but that box was just really skincare heavy, and I'm more excited about makeup. So I'm hoping to get some more makeup in this box, and I am so excited to see what's in here. So let's get into it. I do really like the theme. It's flourish, so like a floral theme, which Ipsy's doing a floral theme as well. So I already posted my Ipsy Glam Bag on bagging, and I'm getting my Ipsy Glam Bag X, I think tomorrow. So if you like to see those types of unboxing videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on that as well. So we've got some product information here, and I love that BOXYCHARM is always full-size products, so I'll be able to add up my total retail value. But so let's start with this first product on here, and this is not starting off with a great product. So this is a two-piece tweezers set from the brand Manna Kadar Beauty Pluck It. And I'm just like not too excited to get tweezers. I think I've actually gotten tweezers before, and how many pairs of tweezers does a gal need? And especially like I actually don't even use tweezers. I used to pluck my eyebrows, but you know, it's been years since I've even touched my eyebrows because I'm really into the larger eyebrow trend. So maybe I'm lucky that I actually don't use tweezers. But so my first product, not something I'm too thrilled about, but the Manna Kadar Beauty Pluck It two-piece tweezer set has a retail value of $18. I mean, as far as tweezers go, these look nice and it's a cute set. Maybe I'll re-gift it because it would be a nice little gift. Next, ooh, something from Murad, which I do really like Murad. So this is Environmental Shield. I really like that line. And this is the Step 3 City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. So this is like a really nice product, and I am excited to use it, but I got a overnight moisturizer in my BOXYCHARM premium box. So even though this is not a literal repeat product, it kind of feels like it because I basically got the same exact type of product from BOXYCHARM already this month. But I definitely will try this out, and I'm sure it's really nice on the skin. And I bet this has a pretty high retail value, so let's see. The Murad City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer, yeah, retails for $74. And I am really glad that I get such amazing skincare through BOXYCHARM that I've been able to incorporate into my routine and really change my skincare routine and my skin in general through the products that I've gotten to try out through Ipsy and BOXYCHARM, because I would never spend $74 on a night cream. But I got this $74 night cream in my $25 BOXYCHARM box, and I've become so spoiled with my skincare because of this. And so next, ooh, a little tiny product here. This is from the brand Canary London, which luckily I do really like Canary London products. Most of them that I've tried out recently have been wonderful. I'm actually wearing my primer right now, is the Canary London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. So I use that every day and I really like it. But for a while, it was like a joke to me because I was getting Canary London in every single month, BOXYCHARM and Ipsy. So I have tried out so many Canary London products at this point, but at this point, I'm not too mad to get it because I do really like their products now. And so this one here is the Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Shadow. So this sounds really cool, but once again, I got a liquid eyeshadow in my BOXYCHARM premium box. So this is another repeated type of product, but I think this sounds really fun to try. Let's see, the shade that I got is called Ember. Ooh, looks so multicolored and fun. Well, I will be trying this out in a full dedicated review video because here on my YouTube channel, I have a series where I try out a new makeup product every day. So I'll be trying out all of the makeup products that I get in Ipsy and BOXYCHARM in full dedicated review videos. And unfortunately, this could be a little spoiler, but I think I only got one makeup product in this box as well. And that is crazy that the one makeup product I got in both of my BOXYCHARM boxes was a liquid eyeshadow. And for a while, I was actually doing a full face makeup tutorial at the end of the month using all of my BOXYCHARM products, and then I was also doing one for all of my Ipsy makeup products that I got. But I hadn't done it the past couple months just because I was getting my boxes so late in the month that by the time I had tried out the products, it was pretty much on to the next month. But I'm not going to be able to do a full face makeup tutorial using all of my BOXYCHARM products this month because all I got was 2 liquid eyeshadows. So that's not enough to do full makeup look. Not even close. But yeah, from the comments it seems like other people have been feeling the same way about BOXYCHARM this month. And it's a bummer because us makeup lovers are feeling sad. So the next product is from the brand Beekman 1802, which I'm not familiar with this brand. Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. Oh, I thought this was like makeup remover wipes again or something because of how it looks in the packaging here, but it looks like it's a little canvas case with the serum inside. So Illuminating Eye Serum. I haven't really used many eye serums. I use an eye cream, but an eye serum sounds like something I'll really like. You apply it morning and evening. So let's see the retail value on this. The Beekman 1802 Dewy Eyed Illuminating and Depuffing Eye Serum has a retail value of $42. So this is another high-end skincare product that I am excited to try out. At least I'm not way overstocked in eye serums. That's kind of a newer skincare product for me to incorporate into my routine. And then lastly, speaking of serums, I think we have another serum here. So 2 serums in this box, but pretty packaging and pretty looking product. This is from the brand Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift, Smooth and Lift. A cocktail of collagen, coenzyme Q10, and hyaluronic acid encapsulated serums from Japan. So this looks like a really pretty serum and it sounds really nice. So, I mean, I'll use this. I do use a serum morning and night, but serums is definitely something that I'm very stocked up on. But this sounds really nice. You apply 3 drops twice daily before applying moisturizer. So I'll incorporate this into my skincare routine eventually. And let's see the retail value on this. The Skin Inc. My Daily Dose of Uplift, retail value of $65. So I did get 3 high-end skincare products in this box. And I know some people are all about the skincare, so they would love this box. And I am really into skincare, but I just love makeup even more. So I really shouldn't be disappointed because I got some really awesome products in this, but you know, I just prefer a more even mix / weighing a little bit more heavily in makeup. And that's just me, but I definitely have filled that out on my questionnaire that you put for BOXYCHARM. But anyways, definitely if you've tried any of these products, let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below, because that really does help me feel better about the products I get when I hear your feedback on them and hear that you really enjoy them or you tell me tips on them. But so those are all the products I got. So I'm going to add up my total retail value and do a recap of everything that I got. So I got the Murad Overnight Detox Moisturizer, the Beekman 1802 Eye Serum, the Skin Inc. Collagen, Coenzyme, and Hyaluronic Acid Serum, the Manna Kadar Tweezers, and the Canary London Liquid Eyeshadow. So I paid $25 for this box and my total retail value is $219. So such an amazing deal. That's why I love BOXYCHARM so much, because I get to try out products that I would never spend $219 on. But I will spend $25 on these, no problem. I actually think my BOXYCHARM premium box was very close to that retail value. Might have been more like $240, $250. So still slightly higher value in that box, but this is a pretty high valued BOXYCHARM base box because of those high-end skincare products. So I really want to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on your May 2021 BOXYCHARM base box, and let me know what you got in your box. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.